Hi, what's going on guys? Welcome back on this YouTube channel. My name is Ari and today we're going to shoot a commercial video for my client. So my client has just asked me, hey Ari, I would like to shoot a commercial video. It's gonna be like a sport video where I can show, you know, my clothes because he's just an owner of his company. So he was looking for someone like me because I shoot music videos, I shoot commercial videos, so different stuff for YouTube and like social media content, like here in Miami and in LA, because my production company it still works in LA, even I just moved from there to here in Florida. And so yeah, we're going to shoot a commercial video. I hope you guys will be enjoying watching this video. And I haven't been shooting any vlogs for a while, I don't know, for some reasons, but I've been busy, okay? But now in Miami and I'm so excited about it because I'm at Brickell right now. There are a lot of rich people because the apartments here, I mean in this area, it's usually, you know, it's very expensive, like probably from $2,000 or $3,000 per month or something. And please put a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and let's go right there. And I just brought all my stuff here. I have 3 bags. I was going here by Uber because my car is broken. And we're going to this building right there. I don't know what floor is that. Probably 5th floor. So let's go inside. Alright, so this is the 5th floor. And it's gonna be our first location for today. It's a very small office, just like a double table here and 3 chairs. Let's look outside. It's gonna be super amazing. Oh wow, look at this guys. Oh man, this is the view. Hey guys, would you like to work with this view? You know, something similar? Let me know in the comments below. Because I didn't sure about myself. Because every time when I just trying to work, I just try to look outside as well. You know, because the view here is really amazing. It's downtown Brickell, so many buildings here. You can see a lot of people, a lot of cars, and the ocean view. So for me it's really hard to working today because a few days ago I've been in gym and for some reason I just tried to lift more than 200 pounds and my back is broken right now. I feel like I really want to be home sleeping and stuff like that. Because even like 2 days ago I couldn't even like walk. I was trying to go to the restaurant and it was, you know, very hard. So I just got something in my back, like a little cream or like something. It's very warm right now. I would say it's even hot. If I hadn't put it on my back, I wouldn't shoot it, you know. Looks like I'm almost ready. So today I'm using my main camera. This is Sony 6500, very cool camera. I'm going to shoot in 4K today. This is Sigma 16mm, one of my favorite lens. Very sharp, very bright, highly recommended. And also this large monitor and this handle and a cage that just covered my camera. So yeah, this is my tools for today.
I think it's a good idea. I think if we can nail Colombia, Venezuela, I know you have connections in Panama as well, so that's going to help with the distribution system. I think so. Yeah, so I think like that's going to be the next play for us, you know. So
Alright, I wish I had somebody to get more backstage from the set, but not today guys. And let me tell you a little bit more about the shooting. So the storyline was very simple and all I needed is to get enough footage. My client invited some people and booked a few places, so it's going to be a sport commercial video and I made the decision don't use my tripod or gimbal at all. You know, I just wanted to add some actions and the camera moving, and also because my client wrote a script and he wanted to get like 3 short videos, so I was a little bit confused and worried if you have enough time. If you guys use different lenses or change the light or need to put on or put off your gimbal, this is really awesome, but it really takes much time and unfortunately we didn't have it. As you can see, this is a classic dialogue scene, so I got a middle shot to show the location and people in the office and also some close-up shots, which is great to show more emotion. And of course I brought some light with me, but I didn't use it at all because the location was great and it was bright enough. Now it's your turn guys, can you just talk with each other?
Okay boss, I think that we really did well. Me and Kyle, we worked together on this portfolio. Worked very hard.
Alright, after that we went to the gym and it was our main location, but unfortunately we had only 20 or 30 minutes for the shooting. It was a bit uncomfortable because if your client wants a video, he won't ask you about any problems because you're paid and this is your responsibility. But I was fine with that. Usually filmmaker never have enough time, so I just kept working and get enough footage. Right, so this is our second place while shooting another parts of this commercial video. We don't have time, I mean, we don't have time at all because we already spent too many like minutes and hours for something. And the gym, when we're supposed to shoot, it's for some reason was closed, so we just was looking for, you know, something different. And this is the place we just found. So let's get it, guys. Yo. This is the man. And if you ask me like, hey Ari, what do you feel at this moment while you're shooting? I would say like nothing, because I really trying to keep working. I really try to get, you know, as much footage as possible and just do my best. And I would say it's called experience, because if you are shooting like every week, every day, or every year, you're getting more professional. After the gym, we went to the studio where I had to get some pictures. I used the video light as a key light on the both sides, and also I put one light behind the models to get the backlight and some contrast. This is my favorite part because the pictures look, you know, very cool. Even the raw files were too dark and gray. I was a little bit worried about again because I just used the video light and it wasn't bright enough. Yeah, no, next time I have to be sure that the studio has the flashlight, because, you know, the flashlight is much stronger and the quality is better for the pictures. If you're going to do something like this, I would recommend to take a few pictures from different angles and also make some shots when you're sitting or when you're standing, because people are different and they have different heads, and as creators we have to be sure that everyone looks good enough as well as the brand's logo. Alright, and let's go back to the vlog. Finally, I'm at home, just took a shower, and also my face looks different right now. I feel like I'm a child again. Oh my gosh, even I'm 28 years old. Hey, hello buddy. Hello man, how are you going today? So this is Lucky Boy. I call him Lucky Boy because he just flew in through that window. This is how I got him. And this is Sunny Canary, very crazy and wild animal. I'm not sure if I can open the cage door because this guy is a little bit crazy right now. He really hates my phone and the camera because one day I just showed him, you know, his selfie, and this is why he's just crazy. Let's go outside for a second. Yeah, the weather in Miami. It feels so perfect, guys, even it was raining a little bit during our video shooting. And right now I'm going to send all the footage that I got from this shooting to the editor, because I work with a team. You know, it was the best decision that I ever made when I just asked, you know, somebody to help me with editing, because a couple of years ago I did everything by myself. You know, I'm a videographer, and usually it means you have to edit, you have to do filming, you have to find a client, you have to keep your financing, you know, all this stuff just, you know, just make you crazy sometimes. And this is why I just work with some people sometimes, because it helps me a lot. And yo guys, something crazy is going on with the stock market. It's crashing right now at this moment. So yeah, probably this is the best time to invest some money and get, you know, the best money in the future. And this is one of the steps how I'm going to be rich. You know, just try to save as much money as possible and invest it as well in the stock market and the crypto. And as soon as I get enough money to invest it in the real estate, I really wanted to go to there. Come on bro, let's stop it. I'm trying to make a video. I told you guys this bird is very crazy and it's so loud. I hope you really enjoyed watching this video. If so, please put a thumbs up and I'll see you next time. Всем пока.